Kung ako kayo, nakakainis yung ibang mga Bureau of Immigration na ibang mga bansa. We're inutil as a country. 4 na buwan na po and we still don't know. In short, hindi pa po alam hanggang ngayon ng Bureau of Immigration. Will you make that of record?
Yes, Honorable Chair. As of this time, we don't have any information kung saang ports or subports nakatakas sila Guo siblings, Madam Chair.
So we don't know anything. 4 months later, more than 4 months later, kung paano sila nakatakas, kung may tumulong ba sa kanilang mga opisyal o kawani ng gobyerno natin, pati sa BI, kung saang port or coast man lang ng archipelago natin siya tumakas. And I mean, ang Senate kasi treaty-making body, so laging top of mind din namin yung ibang mga bansa. Sulat po ng sulat ang Bureau sa ibang mga gobyerno, sa ibang mga Bureaus of Immigration ng ibang mga gobyerno. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa silang official reply. So, tapos na ba yun? Okay na ba yun? How does the BI even feel about this? Okay po ba yung ganito, Chief? Nakalilipas, sapat na siguro ang panahon para makapagsiyasat kayo ng mabuti kung ano ang tunay na nangyari at nakatakas si Guo Huaping. So please provide us this update now. Sabi po ni Commissioner Viado noon, you would be able to present a report on exactly how Guo Huaping escaped. So ngayon na po ang pagkakataon. So will it be Attorney Santos or Chief Manahan or Acting Chief Uy? I hope the most senior among you po. So BI, I recall po nung November 24, sabi po ninyo, you wrote a letter to the different immigration units in Asia. At ang status ng marami doon ay awaiting reply. I recall the summary of correspondences the Bureau submitted then were various requests and reiterations of requests to various addressees, Indonesian, Malaysian, Singaporean, Australian, Hong Kong, beginning August 2024 till November 2024. At least kalahati nito, 6, ay awaiting reply. So 4 months na po, so may reply na po ba sila sa inyo at sa atin? Yes, Chief Manahan.
Madam Chair, good morning. With regard po sa issue of the results ng mga replies, as far as I can remember, Madam Chair, no official replies, written replies received by the Bureau of Immigration as of this date. Pero sa informal channel po, Madam Chair, they are may mga information po sila na sinabi na walang results or wala hong information with regard to the arrival or departure of the Guos on those particular dates. But with regard to the written or official replies, the Bureau of Immigration haven't received any from those counterparts.
So okay lang po ba yun sa atin? I mean, basta na lang natin malalaman kung paano nakaalis si Guo Huaping et al.
Madam Chair, last year the Bureau of Immigration submitted a report to your honorable office, Madam Chair, and with regard to any progress or developments as manifested last November, we will consult with check from the Office of the Commissioner if there's any report submitted from November to this date, Madam Chair.
But of course, sir, bago po kayong lahat pumunta rito sa hearing, siguro naman in-update na po kayo ng office ni Commissioner. So ibig pong sabihin, is this normal na susulat ang ating Bureau of Immigration sa mga counterparts nyo sa ibang mga bansa sa Asia, and aside from information through informal channels na wala silang resulta, na walang official and written reply at all, or ni walang informal information of something more substantive? Okay din po ba sa kanila yung ganon?
Um, with dun sa case po ng Guo case, ma'am, um, as I can remember, yung the commissioner Tansinko at that time sent a letter, official letter to the commissioner of Indonesia. Yun po yung naging way para ma-hold ng Indonesia government yung si Sheila and Cassandra, and eventually turned over to the Bureau of Immigration that time. So ang ginamit po dito is official letter by the BI to the Indonesian government. But with regard to possible routes or entries and exits, yung office naman po ng Intelligence Division, without any written or official letter, consulting or asking informations via informal channels, ma'am. Yun po yung nangyari dun sa...
But it was no longer Commissioner Tansinko who promised this subcommittee, promised our chair, Senator Coco Pimentel, that there would be an update, there would be a report. It was already Commissioner Viado. So, kasi kung titigil lang tayo sa ganitong status, we're inutil as a country. 4 na buwan na po and we still don't know how fugitives got past our borders undetected. And, if you could tell the committee on record, Chief Manahan for the BI, in short, hindi pa po alam hanggang ngayon ng Bureau of Immigration. Will you make that of record?
Yes, Honorable Chair.
All right. That you can imagine the frustration that the whole committee and our chair, the Senate, would feel about this kind of a status na hindi pa natin ma-solve yung it shouldn't even be a mystery. It's a simple matter of fact na dapat by now nalalaman natin. Very regrettable po. Now, nung nakaraang taon, sinabi ng presidente na nung nakatakas si Guo Huaping, sinabi ng presidente na heads will roll. So, may update na po ba sa internal investigation naman sa BI sa mga opisyal nito na maaring sangkot o kasabwat sa pagtakas ni Guo Huaping? So, kung may update, ilan po ang nakasuhan, ilan po ang may administrative sanctions?
Ma'am, we will check if there's any from the Office of the Commissioner, if there's any.
Chief Manahan, you're the Chief of the Intelligence Division. Do you know if there is an internal investigation or there's not? Meron po bang kinasuhan o wala? Meron po bang administratively sinasanction o wala?
As far as I'm concerned, ma'am, wala pong alam kasi may ibang offices din po kasi ang tawag doon na in charge, which is the Board of Discipline or BOD, Board of Discipline, who conducts also investigation when it comes to personal matters, Madam Chair.
But I suppose kahit Board of Discipline ang directly in charge, dapat alam din ng Intelligence Division. I can't imagine there's any other Intelligence Division of any other institution here na kung hindi man sila ang in charge directly sa isang internal investigation sa hanay nila. And in fairness to BI, I will ask similar questions of the other agencies. Hindi ko ma-imagine na may Intelligence Division ng ano pa mang institution dito who would be totally unaware kung merong internal investigation. Lalo na 4 na buwan na po mula nung huling itanong ito. So again, medyo magto-throw up ng hands ang subcommittee sa ganyang status. I mean, what is the BI doing if not finding out paano nakatakas si Guo Huaping? Then at the very least finding out kung mayroon ba at kung mayroon, kung sino ang kasabwat sa loob ng Bureau. Does the Bureau even know kung saang border umalis si Guo Huaping, saang border dito sa Pilipinas?
Ma'am, we will submit compliance report to your office, Madam Chair, but I'm sorry, but as of this time, we don't have any information kung saang ports or subports nakatakas sila Guo siblings, Madam Chair.
So we don't know anything. 4 months later, more than 4 months later, kung paano sila nakatakas, kung may tumulong ba sa kanilang mga opisyal o kawani ng gobyerno natin, pati sa BI, kung saang port or coast man lang ng archipelago natin siya tumakas. And I mean, ang Senate kasi treaty-making body, so laging top of mind din namin yung ibang mga bansa. Sulat po ng sulat ang Bureau sa ibang mga gobyerno, sa ibang mga Bureaus of Immigration ng ibang mga gobyerno. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa silang official reply. So, na ba yun? Okay na ba yun? How does the BI even feel about this? Okay po ba yung ganito, Chief?
I fully agree, Madam Chair. We will submit any compliance report as soon as possible, Madam Chair, to your office.
As soon as possible was last year, Director. Paulit-ulit po yung ganyan mga, we will submit. Haba po ng pasensya ng subcommittee na ito at ng mga miyembro at ng chair. Kung ako kayo, nakakainis yung ibang mga Bureau of Immigration na ibang mga bansa. Wala man lang maibigay na maayos na sagot. It is totally unacceptable.